Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify MemberPress Stripe connection easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your MemberPress Stripe connection, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the MemberPress section in the left sidebar menu. Click on Options under the MemberPress menu. In the Options screen, find the Payments tab. Under the Payments tab, you will see the payment methods currently configured. Locate the Stripe payment method in the list. Ensure that the enabled checkbox is checked for Stripe. Next, look for the Connect with Stripe button and click on it. This action redirects you to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials to log in. Once logged in, authorize the connection between MemberPress and Stripe. After authorization, return to your WordPress dashboard. Again, go to the MemberPress options under the Payments tab. You should now see a notification confirming that your Stripe account is connected. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, create a test product in MemberPress. Set the product's price and any other necessary details. Next, navigate to the front end of your site. Try purchasing the test product using the Stripe payment option. Complete the transaction using test credit card details provided by Stripe. Check your Stripe dashboard to verify that the transaction has been recorded. If everything looks good, you have successfully verified your MemberPress Stripe connection. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings and ensure all information is correct. Make sure to consult the MemberPress and Stripe documentation for further assistance if needed. That concludes the verification process for your MemberPress Stripe connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.